We'll guide you through how to see all of your activity history on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. As you're probably aware, Facebook will go and record everything you do on Facebook and all the different activity you go and have. And so you may be interested to go and see all of it just out of interest, or maybe you want to go and check something, and you can also go and delete your history as well. Loads of different things is going to be saved. For example, different things about your posts, what you've gone and liked, what you've gone and commented on, literally everything in between as well. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure it's full guide so you can go and see your activity history. So to get started with this, we need to go to the bottom right of Facebook, or on some devices it'll be the top right, and press on the profile. It used to be the menu button. If you still get taken to the menu, don't worry. And if you get taken to your profile, don't worry. If you on your profile, press the three lines in the top left, and then you'll see the menu page here. And you want to go and scroll down and expand settings and privacy, and you can then go and press settings here, like this. Now, what you need to do is you need to go and start scrolling down, and you need to go and find the option for activity log in your activity. As you can see here, it is. So then what you can do is go and tap here, and now you're going to go and see what Facebook goes and saves. So you can go and tap on each of these different categories. For example, your Facebook activity, you can see your comments and reactions, your posts, activity you're tagged in. So in this case, I could go and see posts. I could press manage post like so. Then you can go to the top left and go and press filters, and you can go and choose a category to go and be a bit more specific. For example, I could go and see your posts on others' profiles, and I'll then see them here. There's none, but if there were, I could. And then as you can see here, I can go through. So I could see I added 4 photos. I could press the 3 dots to the right, and then I could go and press view and get taken straight to that post. And if I wanted to, I could go and delete that. I could press the 3 dots to the right. Then I can go and press move to bin, press move to recycle bin. And of course I could go to the top and then go and empty the bin and go and delete it. So you can go and get the idea. You can go through here and do loads of different things. For example, I watched a video, I could press the 3 dots to the right and go and delete that. So yeah, work your way through the list, and you can go and view more and go and delete it if needed.